Hello, welcome back to the Low English Dictionary channel. If you're new here, my name is Vicky.
And my name is Agina.
Please make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post
when we post. Thank you so much. And this channel is about learning the Luo language. If you've not seen any of our videos, I encourage you to just go through our videos and come back to this one and see what we've done so far. Today we want to talk about water and everything related to water. Okay? So first, water is called
P.
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 Water is called P.
P.
So everything related to water, it means if you want to say dirty water, P ma
Olil.
P ma olil. That is dirty water.
P. Ma.
P ma olil. So if you see dirty water and you're with me, you'll say ma and P ma olil. This is dirty water. Ma and P ma olil. Say that.
Ma and P. Ma Olil.
The opposite of P ma olil is
P. Ma. Ler.
P ma ler.
P. Ma. Ler.
P ma ler.
P. Ma. Ler.
Ma and P ma ler.
Ma and P. Ma. Ler.
Good. This is clean water, P ma ler. Okay.
Konya gi pi modo.
Konya gi pi modo. Help me with drinking water. Now, konya is help. Modo is drinking water with. Help with water, drink. Konya gi pi modo. So when you want water, what do you say?
Konya gi pi modo.
Konya gi pi modo.
Ma and pi luok.
Ma and pi luok. So this is water for taking bath. Ma and pi luok. This is water for taking a bath. Now we also want to talk about some water bodies, and we want to start with the sea, and the sea is called?
Nam Otaro.
Read it well.
Nam Ataro.
Nam Ataro.
Nam Ataro.
Nam Ataro. And you'll see that the sea and the lake, they share the same name because Nam means a large water body. So if the sea is, you see the sea is huge and the lake is huge, then they all become Nam. And Nam Ataro is the sea. So, as I was saying, the lake also becomes Nam. So when you have a lake next to you, that is called Nam. For example, the Luos have Nam Victoria, which is a lake, Lake Victoria. And in Luo, it's called Nam Lolwe. Okay? Nam Lolwe. Good. What of rain?
Kot.
Koth.
Kot.
Koth.
Kot.
You remember someone born when it's raining is called a koth.
Yes.
Now koth is rain. So koth chue, it's raining. Koth ok chue, it's not raining. The river?
Ahora.
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 Yes, all of them. Ahora.
Ahora.
Yes, ahora. That's a river. A dam. Do you know what a dam is? For storing water. How do you call it?
Yao.
Yawo.
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 Correct. Yawo. That's a dam. And then when a place is muddy because of water, the mud is called what?
Chuodo.
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 That's mud. When it's muddy, you say ka otimo chuodo. This place is muddy. Ka otimo chuodo. Okay? A bridge. How do you call a bridge?
Olalo.
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 Olalo. And when you walk through the Luo areas, you'll hear very many places. Olaloka Musa, Olaloko Tieno. That means the bridge next to Musa's house, the bridge next to Otieno's house, okay? Olaloka Musa, Olaloka Angawa. Otieno. You should look for another name, surely. What about stream?
Ahora.
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 That's the same as a river. Now, the river and the stream, they share the same name, and it is ahora. Ahora. Then, what's that?
Achia.
Achia. Achia. Achia, I'm thinking that Achia is a geisha, a geisha, geisha. Is it geisha? Geisha.
Geyser.
Geyser. Those things. You see where the water that comes off the ground just by itself, that causes some dampness. Sometimes it forms into a stream, sometimes it doesn't. That is called achia. So you say pi achia.
Pi achia.
Yeah. Mostly in April, May, when there's a lot of rain, you find some places that have achia. They have that water that comes off. Then what is that?
Tie ahora. Tie nam.
Tie ahora and tie nam. Say tie ahora.
Tie ahora.
Tie nam.
Tie nam.
That means at the edge of the river, at the edge of the lake, or at the banks of the river, and at the shores of the lake. That's the correct one, shore. At the shore of the lake is called Tianam. Or Donam. Dog is mouth, but that's like the mouth of the river. So Donam is it's just the shore of the lake. Okay? And another one?
What?
What.
What?
What. You have to pronounce the T and the H so that it is what. What. And what means a ford or a bay area on at the lake or at the river source. That's called what. Also, we use what to just demonstrate that it's the tie ahora. Tie ahora can also be called what. Good. I know we've covered a lot. Now you can go back to the video and just pause and watch again so that you understand all these things we're trying to talk about. For now, thank you for watching this. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for always being there for us and liking our videos. Please subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video that we post when we post. So can you finish up?
Make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post when we post. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram.
Oh, and Instagram.
As Luo English Dictionary.
Even in Patreon, we are in Luo English Dictionary. Everywhere. Just do search. In fact, you can go to Google and search Luo English Dictionary and you'll find us. Yep. Alright? And we love you. Bye. Let me just switch off the camera.
Oriti, goodbye.